it's me again. This is a my eBay purchase. I didn't purchase it because I really wanted it. I was on eBay and like I don't know 2 o'clock in the morning, bored. Just I like trolling. I don't know about anybody on here who's actually watching us. I'm sitting here talking to myself. Anybody ever go on eBay and just like start trolling? You know, like hey, that's got like 2 minutes left. Let's play with the bid. Yeah. Most times I like you get outbid instantly. Like sorry, highest bidder. There was 3 tools on eBay. And I was like, that looks cool. There was a Pexto thing and some other thing. And I was like, oh, I'm never going to win this thing. I think I had like $10 in my account. It was like $5. There was no bids. And I'm like, whatever. And then sure enough, I didn't pay attention. I bid on it. I figured I'm going to get sniped out or something's going to happen. And there was like 5 people watching it. Sure enough, a day later, it's waiting for payment. I'm like, oh shit, I won the bid. It was like $5 plus $8 shipping. So, what I did get was, where is it? I did get this Pexto pair of pliers. It's a vintage Pexto pliers, which is cool. See, it says Pexto right here. You can see that Pexto. It looks like they're cutters and pliers. Actually, these things are pretty damn beefy, like they don't feel like the cheap. It has a feel like it doesn't feel junk like the other things. The other thing I got was a vintage Craftsman pair of cutters, all metal. They're got the little thing on here, knurling. They're pretty. You can't really see through them. They're you can get these and you can see through them. They're all wrecked. They're just kind of useless. But they're, you can see that. Can you see it on there? Oh, it's on this side. Wrong side. Come on, focus. Yeah, let's see. Anyway, it says Craftsman. I also got this thing, which says steel on it. This one, I don't know what this is. It opens up. Is it for like, is it one of those miniature things used for blacksmithing? It's not a tools. 3 tools are $5. They're all like this. I bid on it as I was like an idiot. So yeah, sometimes I go on. I'm like, let's see what I could jack the bid up to, and make some money for people. And I'll like bid like $5 or $10 if I think the price is too low. I also make sure I have money in my account because if I win the bid, I'm like, oh shit, I got no money. So this, I don't know what the hell it's for. It's obviously for clamping on something square. So I don't know if it's one of those like those weird keys, or you grab onto a square stock and just start banging it like a blacksmith. I don't know. I thought it was cool. I mean, I'm kind of glad I won it because what the hell am I gonna do with it? I know what I'm doing with this. So I'll use it for wire cutters because I don't already have like 65 pairs of wire cutters, but I know I have at least like 20 pairs of cheap no-name pliers. But look at the size of the here. It's just beef. There's like most of them are like super thin here. This is all super thin, and it just has some meat to it. I wish I was prepared enough to go get the other 4 out of there and show you, but I'm not gonna go dig in there. So with that said, that was my first eBay tool haul. Just short video, show you some dumb things. If anybody has a clue what the hell these are for, I don't know, brake calipers or I don't know, something, whatever. We all know what this is for. So, and then Pexto. I like Pexto tools. I have a Pexto. What do I have? I have a Pexto hammer. I have a Pexto. I don't know what the hell it is. Oh, I have a Pexto metal shear. A few other Pexto. I think I have a Pexto. Something else. I want a Pexto and either a Pexto or a Pexto and Wilcox sheet metal foot brake, but I don't have any space in here. Maybe I'll add on. And the garage ain't moving anywhere anytime soon. I was told I was moving, then I'm not moving, and I'm moving, so they're staying here. So, yay! Don't have to move 1,000 pounds. Actually, I shouldn't say 1,000 pounds of shit because that one machine weighs 750 pounds. Probably, I'm guessing, I don't know, 3 tons, 4 tons worth of steel in here. Just the metal stuff. So, anyway, tools, Pexto. That's it for this wonderful, happy video. I mean, I could add more, but I'll make another video. So spare you the grief. Thanks for watching. If you'd like, subscribe, and tell me how you liked the video. Just a little cheater thing. I wasn't doing. I don't know if I already did this in the video. I'm doing it anyway. I picked this up online. What is it? Do you know what this is? It's a set of ears for Honda. See, it is a Honda ATC 70 handlebars. They're in really good shape. That's the thing. I think I ordered the grip. Comes with the cable thing. Comes with hand grips that are no longer pliable. They should probably come off. And so it's for the ATC 70. I have the, what do I have for it? I have the little bolt that goes in here. I paid $6 for not one, but it came with 3. I got that. I have the body, the gas tank, no seat, no fenders, the front forks. I sent the frame. Yeah, the frame. I sent the frame out powder coat, the front forks for the powder coat, and everything that has a black cover on it for powder coat. And I think that there's the brake cover for powder coating, the under thing for powder coat, and I think that was it. And when I get that back, I should have enough things powder coated to get the bike on wheels. But I forgot to send I forgot to send the wheel hubs to get powder coated. So, and then when I ordered I was watching McBuilds. Was his name? I think it's McBuilds. And I was watching him, and he was fixing I was watching him because he knows a lot about bikes, and you learn off other people, obviously. Because I was trying to figure out what the hell size tubes. So I went on his thing, and it recommended tubes, and shit changes on Amazon when you leave links. So that the link wasn't there. I'm like, I ordered the wrong tubes. So I got to order 3 tubes. And I'm thinking I'm going to take the tires off those and send them to get powder coated and tell them I need these back quicker in gray so I can get all the wheels, the tires, order some tubes, and at least get a rolling frame. If I get a rolling frame, I'm probably going to, what do you call it? Get it rolling. I'll probably buy the seat next because no point in getting a bike you can't sit on. I got a lot of stuff for it. So I got this thing, which is pretty cool. So I also picked up a couple of pieces. This is here's the little bolt I got for it. Goes in there. I think I lost the other piece. Where is it? I got the little new arm gas throttle thing. And I also, no, that's not it. Where is it? Where did it go? I don't know. I lost. There was another part I picked up for the ATC 70. I don't know what it was. So yeah, this is what's new for the Honda. So if you're watching me because of Hondas, this is what I got new. So with that said, that's all I got new. I could have swore I had something else. I could have swore. Anyway, thanks for watching. Another little short video. I know I should make long form videos and actually do something, but yeah, whatever. I gotta find my tripod. So thanks for watching. Toodles. Hello, folks. It's me again. Where's this made? Ooh, I found something made in America. So anyway, I got my Craftsman. Wait, this one. See? Craftsman. I picked up it was on sale. It was $9.99, I think. Regular $20. What is it? It's a Craftsman. What do you call it? Craftsman toolbox mat, floor mat, yoga mat for skinny people. It's either a Craftsman yoga mat or a Craftsman drawer mat. That is not a Craftsman. It's a snap-on box. The one right here that's buried is a Craftsman. And there's one right, see right there. There's a Craftsman also. Well, there's one in my bench too. Why did I get one? Because I have one of my drawers are, what do you call it? All the stuff's sloshing around there. I never put a magnet. This one is a 16 by 60. It says, protects against scratches, reduces noise, keeps tools from sliding. I don't know, I don't see, it doesn't look very non-slip. It is part number truck box mat, 16 by 60 inches. Part number CMZXBAK D, is it D? 00100901. Model, what the hell model is this? Model number 101001-9-02. They don't make model numbers very simple anymore. Made in USA. Hencho unless EEUU. Fabric OEA. Werner Company. Werner Road, Grenville, Pennsylvania. US and Canada only. Registered trademark of Stanley Black & Decker. So yeah, I got Craftsman. Will I open it? Sure, I'll open it. It's got the beautiful glue. See, you can't even get this open. I wrecked it. It's like Christmas. Anyway, comes in a big 60-inch roll. I'm sure you all know what black mats look like. So yeah, I wonder if what do you call it? Roofing tar paper is cheaper than this. I don't know. It's pretty good though. See, I wanted something really thick, and honestly, the leftover pieces of the snap-on one are literally like maybe a 1/4 inch. This ain't no 1/4 inch thick, but that's all I could find, and it was in my budget, $10. So I just wasted 2 minutes and 50-something seconds of your time talking about Craftsman mat. That's pretty much all I got today. For some reason my camera went down. You can't see my fat head. Anyway, that's what I got. It'll make a video of me tinkering in the toolbox. I'd like to make a video tonight of me welding, but I don't know if I want to weld. It's just too many mosquitoes. And I have to wait an hour, and it's getting late. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and take care. Enjoy. Well, it seems after doing a Honda video, I figured out... Actually, I didn't figure it out. I found what I was looking for. And it was this contraption. It's not a contraption yet, but it's kind of a contraption. I'll show you what it is. Here. Well, anyway, this... In a previous episode of Chris Was Too Lazy to Do That, I made this stupid metal box here, because what's supposed to happen is this. This has to go through here, and well, we'll just pretend this is the bottom. This has to go through the side here. See, that goes through like that, and if I remember correctly, this goes, yeah, it goes down the bottom. This is where the hose goes through, and this is an air intake. So yeah, I think so. This is connected to a siphon hose. This is an air intake to suck air, and this is the bottom. This part's the bottom of the sandblaster. You're looking at it upside down. The sand goes in here, shoots through here, goes through this line, gets sucked through the tube, and then out the other one. And this allows a little bit of air to get out. What I got to do is make a hole in here so I can screw this in there, and then I can screw that on there. So I got to make a hole right in the middle. Now, doesn't really have to be perfect. My question is should I just, how should I do this hole? What I should do is like this, put a little dent in here for that. There we go, now we know where the center is. Use a transfer punch, bend it. I think still as pointy as ever. So anyway, it doesn't really matter. So what it is this thing's gonna hold sand, and that thing's gonna come out of the bottom. Come faluging out of the bottom. Where does that go? Where is this thing? Basically, you want, instead of the tube going down, the sand's all gonna fall in here. It's going to get sucked through here. It's going to suck some air in. And this way it's like you just crack it open a little. That's how it's supposed to work. Will it work like that? I have no idea. Some say it will, some say it won't. I think this was the wrong piece I bought. Not sure. Yeah, it might be the wrong piece. Yeah, I think I bought the wrong adapter. But yeah, got that and that. It goes like that. It goes on there, and this goes on here. And I think depending on what time it is, I'm just gonna, or maybe tomorrow, drill a hole in here, and I'll connect together. It's my next little project. Am I gonna bore you with this tonight? I don't know, probably not. I'll do it another night. But I'm gonna drill the hole in here, put it on the bottom, and then I'm gonna tack weld this, because once it's welded on there, I'm gonna need this piece either welded in there or screwed in there and tapped in. I might just make it very tight and just try to screw it in there so it's screwed on. So yeah, that's my plan. And then I'll show you the rest of what's going to go on in there. So stay tuned, keep watching, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to make a video show, because like I said, I got to weld this, build it up the side, and there's like, what, 2 little patches. I'm not in a hurry to make it because I have so much junk in here in the way. And I finally found a solution for welding outside, so that'll be taken care of. Anyway, that's something to look forward to. I've been trying to do this for almost a year. Like I said in previous videos, I come here an hour or 2 a night, maybe 2-3 times a week, and it's not like I spend 15 hours a day in here, otherwise it's going to be done in 2 days. So thanks for watching, toodles, and take care.